Uh, I hadn't had a customer in months. When is the next customer coming? If I don't pay the bill for my cafe, I won't have a job. Better wait, hopefully. What is my pot doing out of the cupboard? I know I put it in there a few minutes ago. Seriously, who emptied out the drawers? I'm hungry. Let's find some place to go. Oh, here's a place. Let's go in. Hello? Hello! How can I help you today? I'd like to order something. And what do you want to order? Ooh, how about cake? Cake? Are you sure? Yes, cake. Okay. One cake coming right up. There we go. No. Where? There we go. Now we need this. Frost the cake. I think I have different colors.
You got it! A brand new gift for you!
No. Wait. Almost forgot. Now let's get a plate. Put the cake on the plate. Take the plate. Okay, there we go. I'm here with your delicious cake. Ooh, that's good. Thank you. Would you like anything to drink? Yes. We have different fruit juices. We have lime, orange, strawberry, lemonade, and fruit juice. What would you like? Oh, strawberry will be, please. One strawberry juice coming in. Up. Okay, we will put this in the sink. And get the fruit juice. Strawberry juice. Here you go, ma'am. Anything else? No thanks. Can I have the bill, please? Yes, that will be $4.99. Okay, here you go. Thank you. You have a good day.
I still see a gift up there.
Have a good day, ma'am. Thank you. That good rest cafe. Oh no! What's the popcorn machine doing now? Ay. Better get it fixed. Oh, it stopped. Uh-oh, the automatic thingy is doing things automatically. Oh no, not the popcorn machine again. Ay, ay, ay.
Hey, I still see a gift
Now
up
I
there.
have
Do you want it?
boxes and boxes of popcorn. What am I going to do? There's not even a movie. Fine, I'll eat it. I'll eat a box. Ugh, I can't eat it. I'm stuck. I think that's enough.